About to try to take this guy up in the air. The first flight might be the final flight.
Yeah, right.
Don't crash into my bird, man. Don't kill the bird.
Yeah, that's what I want to see.
Man, trying to get into the hobby, I tell you, you gotta say. Oh, this is frequent flyer, the one I was telling you.
Oh, the one on this video, yeah.
You got another subscriber.
Yeah, I just subscribed to you, bro.
Oh, thanks, man.
Yes, sir.
Appreciate it.
Oh, who was calling me, man?
It says connected.
Yeah.
Hopefully this joint go up. Let me see.
Yo, that's crazy.
It went down though. I don't know why it went down though. Let me see.
Wow, that was deep.
I'm gonna give it the benefit of the doubt. Let's see. Don't kill me. I don't know what I'm doing, man. I guess I gotta push forward. I'm pulling back to try to slow it down, and it seems like that's making it go down. See if we can get it up again. Nope, it's going straight down now. Straight down. I'm gonna have to toss it up. I think I'm gonna have to throw it all the way up. So this guy is a little harder a lot harder to fly than the original Go-Go bird. It's hard for me to keep it in the air. It seems like it goes a lot faster too. I don't want it to get away from me, and so. But at the same time, this guy don't seem like it stays in the air. The battery is fully charged. Let's try it again. Uh-oh, there we go again. Yeah, so this thing is broken, guys. I don't know what it is with these. This is my second one, and the same thing keeps happening to me. So, you guys hear that? It's not going to start up anymore. So, a couple of crashes with this guy, and this always happens. So, I guess this guy is a no-go for me. Other people, I saw another channel, somebody had success with it, but this is my second one and the same results. I was thinking that maybe that the reason that it happened the first time is because I was flying it over concrete, and I did do a nosedive like that on the concrete, but we're out here in grass now, and this thing did a nosedive in the grass, and it looks like the screw came loose or something, a mechanism inside came loose, and that's what happened to me before. So this thing hasn't proven to be durable for me. This is the second one that I've received in the same issue. So this is the Go-Go Bird Eagle. Thanks for watching.